Hey creative community, I am Mugsy and this is my art channel MugsyMakes. Welcome and please come and join us in our crafty creativeness here on YouTube and check out all my social links down below. Please like, follow, and subscribe. Okay, so today's video is for altered puzzle piece number 23. I'm using a water pen to mark the pages where I wanted to tear them. Also, I wet the middles of each puzzle shape dictionary page so I could tear out the centers. I used a old Webster dictionary along with one of my tiles that I make from old CDs. Lucky you, this is a sneak peek of one of the new things I do with the CDs. I was able to melt the tile with a word or message in it and have it decently legible. It has to do with slower melting points and times. Watch for the updated video in the future here on my channel. After I do this part, I do some paper damaging and some rolling with a small screwdriver. And I just really tatter up this page. I wasn't really sure where I was going with this page, but it gets all kinds of original here at the end. Hey, I wanted to thank all of you who are watching my videos. We have certainly grown our channel quite a bit in the last few months, and I wanted to say thank you. Thank you for watching and commenting on my videos. It makes me feel good. I love connecting with other creative people, and I love hearing about you newly creating people. I was once new to creating daily, and I welcome and support your crafty quest friend. I have said this in the past a bunch, but creating every day helps my soul. It quiets my insane mind and allows me to relax and focus on what I want to do today. That is a huge hurdle that I overcame in my life. As many of you may not know, I have two progressive types of neuromuscular diseases, one named CMT, the other multiple sclerosis. I've had the hereditary CMT since I was a kid. It affects my muscles and I have weakened joints. Multiple sclerosis came along much later and it was the one that really knocked me down a bit. Things changed, some more than others. I found myself with time and a bunch of grr. And I had to learn how to deal with it and let go. Creating helped me funnel that grr into paint-thrown art, and I felt better that I started digging out my old paints and supplies that I had used and packed away a while ago. That was a decade ago. I feel like I gained back my life, and not that I lost out on the one that I was creating. Creating daily helps me mentally stay engaged, helps me strengthen my focus, calms and relaxes my joints and muscles, and gives me the ability to connect with other creative people. Anywho, that is a little into my life I wanted to share. I know a lot of you who I speak with have found art to be helpful also. Leave a comment below and on how it helps you. If you hear that little moaning sound, that is my mom's dog, McLeod. We are dog sitting right now. And he likes to roll around and do these silly moaning sounds when he wants attention. Anyways, yeah. I know a lot of people read these comments, so go ahead, leave a comment below and on how creating helps you and share with others. You know, these comments and your story may help somebody else. I love you guys all, and have a great weekend. Anyone creating anything this weekend? I'm working on a bunch of videos right now and also planning out this big tie-dye on a hot sunny day video for the summer. Messy fun. Okay friends, go out and create for the greater good, and I love your faces. Bye.
conquer all the oceans you can name. No, we won't take anything. So I'm sorry for not slipping in, but don't worry, we'll find our way in. We'll find our way in. So I'm sorry for not slipping in, not slipping in, not slipping in. Oh, Father help me, I just can't decide. So I'm sorry for not slipping in, not slipping in, not slipping in. Oh, Father help me, I just can't decide. I just can't decide. I just can't decide. I just can't decide. Come to the river, let me see the water side. Let me slip into the water, fall down until I drown. Come to the river, let me see the water side. Let me slip into the water, fall down until I drown. So I'm sorry for not slipping in, not slipping in, not slipping in.